This house gets so many deaths.
Hey, what's up guys? Happy Thursday. Today is November the 14th. I am out here in the city of Houston, okay? Small city, kind of in between Lawrenceville, Tequila, Brazelton, one of those cities. This is the residence of Mr. and Mrs. Sims. They're actually in a community where I have a lot of clients. Trilogy Park, actually one of my good resources, who's a real estate agent, she's actually lives in this neighborhood, so she's giving me a lot of clients also in this neighborhood. So anyway guys, I came out here about 2 weeks ago. Mr. and Mrs. Sims, or Mr. Sims, reached out to me for the floor services. They're going to be going with the screen and RadCoat and UV cure. We have 661 square feet plus 15 stairs. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I got going today. Hey guys, also I got some great feedback this morning from my client that I did, Mrs. Abernathy. She said, Courtney, the floors look so good, because we put down the second coat and we left. They didn't do the UV cure. So anyway guys, it was raining. It's kind of slowing down now. So again, I'm out here in Houston, Georgia. Let me show you the floors I'm going to be doing. And my assistant Tavares, he had to handle some personal business this morning, so he'll be pulling up probably in the next hour, and then after this we have a small cleaning to do. So anyway guys, these are the floors we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing this dining room. You can see they got all the furniture cleared out. Going to be doing this entryway, foyer, what we call it. Also there's the stairs right there, okay? Then we got this hallway, and I just taped off this area. Now I will say guys, originally they wanted to sand the floors to try to get the colors to match, because that's a pre-finished floor. It can be sanded, but it was finished at the manufacturer. Guys, I'm gonna tell you the reason why they didn't go with it, because the price that they got for sanding, two reasons. The price was, I always tell contractors this, the same way high prices can run certain people away, low prices can also run certain people away. And she said, Courtney, the wife told me, she said, Courtney, the price was so low, it kind of scared me not to do it. So they reached out to me. I told them I cannot change the color, but after looking at the benefits of the one-day process and the UV cure, they decided to go with my process and bring these floors back to life. Just like yesterday, Mrs. Abernathy actually told me, she said, Courtney, their project was a little bit over 2,500. And she told me, she said, I actually got prices to sand the floors, and we was looking at anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000, and it would have took most of the companies told us 4 to 5 days. So that's another reason why people love my process. It's a one-day process. So you can see some discoloration right here. So we're also going to be doing some color correction. You got some right here, some right here, just really worn out. Also brought in one of my little lights so I can see better. Also right here. So that's not, you know, I do the color correction. All right, guys, well, I'm going to get started. Start screening these floors down, and come back and show you some results. Stay tuned. Screened, vacuum, clean, and tack. Now it's time to do some color correction. You see right there that missing color. Really just mostly in the kitchen right there. Okay, all right here, 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 right there, some right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get the first coat down. Got a great screening on this floor. Also the stairs, and then the foyer dining. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, just got back. Look at how much better these floors look now after the first coat. So I just made up my RadCoat. Look at all that color correction, guys. Look how much better that looks. Wow, look at that. Wow. Nice. Look at that right there. Beautiful. Beautiful. I might try to add a little bit. You see those lines right there? I might try to add a little bit more color there before putting the RadCoat down. But that's definitely a huge improvement. And then, and again, watching my videos, that's what I tell people. I do make an improvement. Not a, 100%, depending on the floors, but this is definitely looking a lot better. And it just brought life back to these wood floors. So anyway, guys, just booked another one for Saturday. Guy has a grand piano being delivered next week, and Saturday was the only day I can squeeze them in. And also I realized my schedule, we were supposed to do one yesterday and we got behind, but they're moving in and I got them on the schedule for tomorrow. So I called my first appointment tomorrow, which is the UV cure, asked them if I can get there earlier, and she said, yes, Courtney, you can get here early as you want to. So I'm gonna try to get to them about 8:30. It's in Ackworth, and then I gotta go do a screen or recoat in Atlanta. And then Saturday, we have a UV cure in Kennesaw, and then we just got the clean and buff in Decatur. All right, guys, well, I'm going to get my RadCoat ready and then just try to correct these color issues a little bit more. Stay tuned. And I also like the way you guys told me when I came out and did the consultation, how you was thinking about getting the floor sanded, but the price was a little bit too low. It kind of scared you. Yeah. I always tell people this. Same way high prices scare certain people away, same way low prices scare certain people away. Yeah. So I was so glad you said it just price just sound too low for me.
Yeah, it was a little funny. A little funny.
Yep.
All right. Well, it looks good.
Thank you.
Right now.
Yep. Well, it's gonna look better with the second coat. Yes, ma'am. Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and get the second coat down. I'll let you go upstairs. I've already talked to Keith. So I think he said he's taking some of the boys to get haircuts. So I'll let him know once I get the second coat down when people can walk on it, and then I'll be back later to UV cure it. Okay. All right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right, guys. Second coat is ready. RadCoat. There it is. Actually, I got a RadCoat today, tomorrow, and Saturday, and I think I got 2 so far next week. All right, guys, go ahead and get the RadCoat down. Then I'm going to go meet Tavares. We're going to go start this cleaning not far away. Gives RadCoat plenty of time to lay down, 2.5, 3 hours before getting that UV cure. So I'm going to leave my UV cure machine here. And yeah, all right, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, I just got back. We just did that commercial job. Perfect timing. About 3.5 hours. Let the RadCoat. It was raining today, so it does take a little bit longer when it rains. There's my client. You see how good these floors look? So it's perfect timing. So I'm going to go ahead and give it UV cured. And that's only going to take me about 15, 20 minutes. And my clients will have their house back. Look, guys, look at this color correction. OMG. Wow, that looks amazing. Look at that. Amazing. All right, guys, let me get these floors cured. And yeah, beautiful job. All right, get my machine going. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Floors came out great. Another job well done. Look at that beautiful RadCoat finish, man. That is amazing. That is a beautiful finish. Beautiful finish. All right, clients already putting the furniture back. That is the biggest benefit of the RadCoat. Keith, one question.
Yes, sir.
How does the floors look?
Looks great.
Thank you.
And I know that because my wife is happy.
There you go. Oh man, it took me a long time to understand that. Happy wife, happy life. Yep. All right, guys. So Mrs. Sims is happy. I'm happy. Another job well done. Like I said, I did not know it was going to rain today, but again, the job got done one day, and yeah. All right, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow. I got a busy day tomorrow. Busy day Saturday. Already booked out next week. Going into the following week. So, but again, I'm grateful that clients are using my services. All right, guys. See you in the next one.